I'm officially a cloud engineer. Welcome to week 2 of Noob to Software Engineer. This week did not start off great. I had a problem in my code that I could not fix. So what did I do? I actually left my room and did something else. Yeah. Okay, so I'm now on my way to the gym, and sometimes it's just better to leave the computer and take your mind off programming and solving coding problems, because it's very easy to just sit there and do nothing and think about the same problem and don't come to a conclusion and just you who code, you know the feeling, right? Sometimes just go to the gym, clear your mind and come back fresh. And when you come back fresh, you're gonna code, solve the problem, it's all gonna be great. Let's go to the gym. Okay, so I just come home from the gym. It was a great workout. I trained some boxing and I think I'm ready to code again. I'm gonna start my new project, and I've been sitting here for a while now and thinking about what I should do. I'm always like a bit slow in the beginning before I really know what I want to do and how I'm going to do it, because it's so easy to nestle yourself in a project and you just do stuff and then you have to start over because you were not sure what you wanted in the beginning. Thinking about what do I want to do and how do I want to do it. But I can show you one of the projects that I can do and maybe want to do, so I can show you. So here do we have one of my projects, and we can see here it's a quiz game, and here we have a don't click button. Of course I'm gonna click it, and then it comes a message box that says, are you dumb? A little bit of humor. Don't click. Are you dumb? Okay. And then we have a edit quiz, so you can add question. This is gonna add to a JSON file, so you can just write what you want and add. But we're not gonna do that now. So then you can start the game and play. Question: what is the chemical symbol for the element of gold? And I know this is AU. Who is often called the father of computer science? And it's Alan Turing. And here we have a score that keeps track of the score. So every time you have a point, and now we can like pick the wrong, so you see what it's gonna do. What is the capital of France? Of course it's Berlin. Oh no, wrong answer. And you can see there that it didn't add. So I have 20 questions and all of them are in a JSON file. So there you saw one of my projects, and as you see it was a quiz game. And what I can do for my next project is to take the JSON file and put it in MongoDB. So you can take the quiz game and put the JSON file in a database. And yeah, I have to change a lot of things in my code, and or maybe I just create a new project altogether, but I don't know. I don't really know. I think I will learn more if I create a new project, but I don't know. Think less, do more. That is what I'm going to do. Now I'm deciding I'm not going to do the quiz game. I'm going to create a new from scratch. Yeah. Okay, so it's a new day and today I'm gonna start my new project and it's gonna be CRUD. And for those who don't know, CRUD is create, read, update and delete. So I'm gonna do a simple project where you can do all that. I don't have everything figured out now, but I know I want to have a username, a password, login and create. How I'm going to implement update delete, I don't really know yet, but we're going to start anyway. And yeah, I'm going to have every username and password on a MongoDB driver, and then I'm going to have the MongoDB server in Azure. So it's the first time I'm doing this, and it's going to be very fun. Hope I'm going to learn as much as I can, and yeah, it's going to be great. So yeah, that is everything I'm going to do today. I'm going to start. I'm going to see how I'm implementing all the stuff. Okay, so here you can see my beautiful login window. I did this in SAML or SAML, or how you pronounce it, I don't really know. It's not so popular, but it's the thing that we are learning in school, so I'm gonna stick to it because it's the only thing I know. But yeah, we can play this and you're gonna see my beautiful application. And now I'm just gonna fix the backend stuff. Okay, so I now done some of my backend stuff and I can now create a user and store it in MongoDB. I would like to show, but I don't really know what's sensitive data and not. So I'm not really sure if I should show my connection strings and stuff like this. You can comment down below if it's a good thing or not, but I don't think it's good because I don't want you guys to make a lot of databases on my connection string. It's mine. Don't take my connection string. But I can still show you the main window and what I did, but I don't gonna show the connection string. So, and I don't have time to edit it out and do all this stuff. So I'm not gonna show you the connection string. No connection string. So here you have my classes for the project. I created two folders, one named data and one named modules, and I did one Mongo CRUD. And the Mongo CRUD have all my data. Really, really amazing stuff. But yeah, here you can see I have a static Mongo CRUD DB equal new Mongo CRUD, and here is the name of my database. And here you can see I created two click methods, and one is just to show a new window that I created, but I have not done anything with that window yet because I don't know what I want to show on that window. And here I have a create. So the C in CRUD is complete. So now we're gonna try this. Beautiful pink background, yeah. So Felix. Hello, 1, 2, 3, and create. I know I have not fixed that you are created or something like this, but we're gonna check in my database. Okay, so my program is now done. So what I can do is I can take this and delete, and Felix is gone. Now I have like 3 Felix, but I can take this, delete, boom, boom. And when I delete, it's updating. So this is useless, to be honest. But yeah, all the users are stored on Azure now. So it's the first time I'm using Azure in any of my projects. So it's very nice. So yeah, boom, boom.